In this video, we understand C++'s if-else conditional statements and relational operators. What's up everyone, welcome to Programmer Life. If this is your first time on the channel, hit the subscribe button for more programming videos. You can find a link to the source code used in the video in the description below. Let's get started. Let's say we want to write a program to print if a person can vote. We want to check if their age is greater than or equal to 18. Then they can vote. We can use C++'s if statement to test the person's age. The if statement starts with an if, followed by the parenthesis, where we specify the condition, and finally a C++ block enclosed by braces. The program executes the statement in the block if the condition is true. We need to check if age is greater than or equal to 18. C++ has some operators to compare two operands. Since these operators tell the relationship between two operands, they are called relational operators. These operators return either true or false, depending on the operands. For example, double equals returns true if a and b are equal. Likewise, I have listed other operators as well. For our example, we use the greater than or equal to operator. Let's write if condition and test our program. With age 19, the person is eligible to vote. Let's try with 16. We get no print as the operator returned false and if statement didn't execute the code. However, it would be better if the program printed person not eligible for less than 18. C++ allows us to extend the if statement with else and executes the following block if the condition returned false. Else is followed by just after the if statement got block. Let's print another message in else and test out. We can see the message for less than 18 years of age. To confirm that relational operators return a bool, we can store the condition result in a bool and replace it with the bool variable. If the bool is true, if statement block executes, otherwise the else block executes. Let's test out with 19 and 16 again and see if it works the same. Alright, so this confirms our understanding. Before we move forward, this is an excellent time to smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and reaches more people. Now, what if we want to extend the program to check if person is eligible to drink? We can add another if to check whether age is greater than 21. Let's modify our program with another if condition. Let's test out the program with 24. We got both the prints from first if and second if. C++ considers these two if statements different and evaluates them separately. We can add else before the second if. Adding else connects this if statement to the previous if statement and only check second if condition when the first one is false. Let's test again with 24. Now it prints the first one as expected. Let's try 20. It prints the second if condition. Let's try 15. We got print from else. You can add as many else if conditions as you want, like if he is eligible for marriage and Senate candidacy. For more programming videos, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you want me to cover any specific topic, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.